Hello everyone, this is me Ali Raza from AARSWEBS.com, a Google partner company. I'm here with a new question query. Let's get started. Okay, the question is need advice e-commerce store for an artist struggling to get conversions via branded search keywords campaign via Google Ads. Okay, why I'm saying it via Google Ads? Because if you don't get an idea, you should get an idea. It's the search keywords campaign are usually being used in Google Ads, not in Meta Ads. Okay. Hello, hi. I have recently landed a pretty big artist, deathcore metal brand with over 1 million followers on social media through a friend and an artist management connection for my side gig. And I pitched paid social media and search services. Okay, good. I'm pretty good at paid social. Can pretty much do that stuff with my eyes closed. Love being creative with ad ideas and have been achieving into 5 to 6 ROS return on ad spend per day. That's very good. I know how to build Google campaigns, but I'm struggling with search to achieve a ROS of higher than into 2. And I'm sure what the issue could be, but I have my theories below. Okay, let me see your theories and come up with it. I need some recommendations, advice. I'm going to keep the brand name anonymous, but will use band name. Okay, band name anonymous, but will use band name to call it. What I can see tell about what's happening to the campaign, search campaign. I'm running an ad campaign for a branded merch store with keywords including band name search. It's a broad match, it's a phrase match, it's a broad match over here, it's a phrase match over here. So you are using some broad matches and some exact match and a phrase match. In the last 7 days, results on the platform are looking okay, but conversions just don't seem to be coming in. What I can see working is decent click-through rate at 15%. 15% click-through rate is very good, but you just need to double check with the analytics to see if your competitors are double clicking your ad. But if that is not the reason, other than that, I see a very good 15% extraordinary very good CTR, which is not on a normal occasion. But because you are using the band name, so on the band name itself, you may see some improvement or more CTR for ads. Average CPC of pound 1.5. Could this be lower for a brand specific merchant store? Conversion rate average 3%. In the last 30 days it was 8% with some keywords pulling 16%, but I posed the commit for a few days. What looks bad is search impression share at 31%, which is down specifically if you are doing it for the brand name. Search top impression share is 16%. Search absolute top impression share is 10%. Search loss to budget is 49%, which I think is high. Search loss tab is 28%. I'm literally spending 25 pounds a day to sell a 30 pound shirt most of the time. So to me, as a slightly beginner, the impression share looks bad. I'm losing a majority of my search results, but I'm not sure why. What could be the issue here? If I'm thinking correctly, I need to improve impression share based metrics so that my conversions appear for more traffic and hopefully in return more conversions. But how? I have trying getting shopping campaigns not performing great. There seems to be a lot of third party stores selling merchant here, including unofficial sales through Timo, selling the brand merchant at 8 and others knockout print on demand companies. CTR is low at after 31 spend, no conversions. Okay, a lot of information. Performance max 1 conversion after spending 26 pounds. Not horrendous, but the display channels were horrendous. Demand generation not great. Retargeting, okay, not great. High CTR but also high CPC. My theory is that the brand actually has another merchant center that operates mainly in the Europe with some US orders, and I think they're still running search campaigns for the old store. I'm supporting the launch of the new US store with limited merch, but there's a lot of good and unique merchant in the Europe and old US store that the US fans are aware of, but when they come to the site and don't see the unique merchant center, they back out. Even in social media ads, people are asking where the good merchant is. Part of me is thinking that the SEO for the merchant center and organic social skills might just do the job here rather than running paid search campaigns. Okay, long question. So I think that SEO is going to help, can be an additional thing over here, but not solely replacing your ads with SEO. I do not recommend it. I think SEO could be a great addition. Specifically, you can figure out if you see some keywords working well through SEO, and then you can start running ads for them as well. What I see over here is that you are adding different keywords, and if you are adding broad match without turning on the AI max, you are going to lose money. So my recommendation is to either turn on the AI max on the search campaign or remove the broad match keywords and focus only with phrase match and exact match keywords. Second thing apart from this is I will also look around for the phrase match, broad match, search terms. I will also look for the search terms. Are you adding negative keywords after overview or going through your search terms to see if you find anything useful over here? I think that with the broad match there may be a lot of search keywords, so look around for search terms to reduce those. Also, I feel a lack of analytics conversion tracking over here, which can tell people that about people where they are landing, what they are looking around, and why they are not buying. And I think that some authenticity on your page and linking your official recognition with the page or the brand can increase your sale over here and can help you with generating more sales. So yeah, just follow these strategies for your e-commerce store for an artist who is struggling to get conversions via branded search keywords campaigns. I hope this answers the question query, and yeah, this answers. But if you need a professional help, you can hire me and my company through the link in the description. My company name is arswebs.com, and we can help you with optimizing your Google Ads campaign or auditing them as well. So yeah, I hope you like this case study. We look forward to working with you. Take care and bye bye.